It's a Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey, Caribbean.
Caribbean love.
Caribbean love, girl. Hey,
It's a
Caribbean.
Caribbean love.
Tatted on my chest, yes, I'm a Zo. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Haitian Land. Today I am going to show you how to make the most traditional Haitian Soup Joumou. For all my people out there, I hope you understand the true significance and why Haitians are very proud to celebrate the Soup Joumou every New Year. Of course, to make a traditional Soup Joumou, you need the actual Haitian Joumou, celery, and turnip. First, you want to peel your joumou, cut and wash, and let it boil for 20 minutes. While your joumou is boiled, you want to make sure to cook your meat at the same time. I'm using beef for today. Make sure your meat is well seasoned.
This is how it should look like when it's done.
Next, I am going to soak my vegetables in cold water. That way my vegetables will not turn black. Now the joumou is done boiling. I let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes. The next step is to puree the joumou and continue to do so until all the joumous are gone. I did use a strainer, however you don't have to. Just make sure your joumou is well pureed. Next, you want to add your cabbage. Normally, I will add the cabbage after I add my joumou. However, this one was a little bit hard, so I just wanted to saute the cabbage prior to adding my joumou. Next, you're going to add the joumou sauce. And I'm adding 12 cups of water. After, I'm gonna stir, and I'm gonna be adding my parsley with thymes in it, and my bell pepper with all the vegetables, and I'm going to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to be adding my rigatoni pasta or any other pasta you prefer. After 15 minutes of boiling, your soup joumou is ready to eat. Enjoy, and I hope I see you guys in the next video.